7 highest teacher salary in the Philippines as of 2023. So coming in at number 7 would be Teacher 1 at 27,000 pesos. Coming in at number 6 would be Teacher 2 at 29,165 pesos. Coming in at number 5, Teacher 3 with 31,320 pesos. Coming in at number 4 would be Master Teacher 1 with 46,725 pesos. Coming in at number 3 would be Master Teacher 2 with 51,357 pesos. Coming in at number 2 would be Master Teacher 3 at 57,347 pesos. And coming in at number 1 would be Master Teacher 4 with 63,997 pesos per month. So, the yearly benefits of Philippine teachers, other than their salaries, teachers are also set to receive various benefits provided by the government to the Department of Education. Clothing and uniform allowance, 6,000 pesos. The following are the yearly benefits received by the teachers in the Philippines. Mid-year bonus, 1 month basic salary. Year-end bonus, 1 month basic salary. Cash gift, 5,000 pesos. Productivity enhancement incentive, 5,000 pesos per year. And anniversary bonus, 3,000 pesos. Note, this is given during a milestone year, which is only every 5 years. Performance-based bonus ranges from 50 to 65% of the basic monthly salary depending on the school performance. Then there's proportional vacation pay. 70 days PVP during Christmas summer break for those who have rendered full services during the school year. Then there's cash and chalk allowance. Before it was 3,500 per teacher back in November 9, 2020. And then until Senate Bill 1092, which increases it from 5,000, now it's all the way up to 7,500 pesos. And in the next year, it will even increase to 10,000 pesos. Alongside the benefits mentioned above, a few others are also provided. Leave privileges, maternity, paternity, and study leave. Loyalty cash incentive, 5,000 and 10,000 pesos. Then there's transportation allowance at 2,000 pesos per month. Then there's instructional materials at 5,000 pesos for mobile teachers and DALCs. Then there's GSIS benefits, of course. Then there's PhilHealth benefits. Then there's annual physical tests and hospitalization benefits under the PhilHealth. Then there's Employees Compensation Program ECP benefits. On top of that, in-service training is also supported under the Program Support Fund. So what affects the salary grade of the teachers in the Philippines? The salary grade of teaching professionals in the Philippines depends on several factors such as years of service. Teachers who have been in the field for a long duration on average get a higher salary grade than starters. Then there's location. Another contributing factor is environment they live in. So salary grade depending on the cost of living of the city or municipality the teacher is designated to teach at. Then there's educational background. Teachers with specific backgrounds like doctorate degrees or master's degrees are more likely to receive higher salary grades than a teacher with a bachelor's degree. Then there's rank and position reasons. Teachers who hold higher positions in the field may have higher salary grades than teachers who are teaching in classrooms. Then there's changes in government laws and policies. From time to time, the Philippine government makes adjustments regarding salaries for all professionals which may impact the salary grade of all teachers. So this concludes the information that we have presented for you today. And once again, I am Engineer Morgan Sai, your coach ng Bayan.